Example number 10, continuous beam using Titanic method. So ang mga hanapin natin sa problem na to ay yung mga reactions AY, BY, CY, moment at B, and rotations at A, B, and C. Una natin gawin ay mag-assume muna tayo ng elastic curve. So based from the direction of the applied moment, then ito yung most probable na elastic curve. Ito ngayon yung points A, B, and C. Cut natin at B, then choose left. So B to A, direction is left. Then applicable yung formula for theta left. Okay, ito yung formula for theta left. And then substitute the data. So theta is theta B. Yung moment near is moment at B. So moment B, tawagin natin MB left. And the length is the distance from B to A, 6 over 3EI. Plus moment far is the moment at A, 0. The length is 6 over 6EI. Plus walang load from B to A, so that the value of the parameter 6AA over L is 0 over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A at yung horizontal line tumama kay A, so that H is 0. Then simplify. So theta B is equal to 2 MB left over EI. Tawagin natin equation 1. Next, cut at B, then choose right. So B to A, B to C, the direction is right. Applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na formula for theta right, then substitute the data. So theta is theta B equals negative. Yung moment near is the moment at B. So yung moment at B is moment B right. And the length is the distance from B to C, 12. Then over 3EI plus moment far is moment at C, 0. The length is 12 over 6EI plus walang load from B to C, so that the parameter 6AB over L is 0 over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C and tumama kay C, so that H is 0. Then simplify. So theta B equals negative 4 MB right over EI. Tawagin natin equation 2. So take note that at point B, moment left of B is not equal to the moment right of B, since meron tayong external moment at B. So magiging equal ang moment left and moment right kung walang external moment. So since merong external moment at B, then moment B left is not equal to moment B right. So meron tayong dalawang equation so far, pero yung unknowns ay tatlo. So yung mga unknowns ay theta B, moment B left, and moment B right. So kailangan natin ng isa pang equation. So yung pangatlong equation ay kukunin natin sa joint B. So ang joint B ay subjected sa external clockwise moment. So kapag clockwise moment, ang direction nito ay pataas sa left side and pababa naman sa right side. So ito yung joint B. So merong equation relating moment B left and moment B right, at ito yan. So para sa equation 3, moment B left, and then ang piliin natin is yung left side ng external moment. And since ang left side ng external moment ay pataas, so ang gagawin natin plus the external moment 45, then equal to moment B right. So ito na yung equation 3. Kung sakali naman na ang applied moment at B is counterclockwise, so yung counterclockwise ay pababa sa left side and pataas naman sa right side, at ang magiging relationship naman MB left, then gamitin natin, piliin natin yung left side. So since pababa ang left side, so minus the applied moment 45, then equal to moment B right. So ito naman yung magiging equation 3. Yun ay kung yung applied external moment ay naging counterclockwise. So ito na yung tatlong equations. Then applying knowledge natin sa system of equations. Then ang sagot, moment B left equals negative 30. Moment B right equals positive 15. And theta B equals negative 60 over EI. Negative MB left means pababa. Positive MB right means pataas. And negative theta B means clockwise. Next na isolve natin ay theta A and theta C. So simulan natin kay theta A. So i-cut at A, choose right. So A to B. So right. Applicable is formula for theta right. Ito na yung formula for theta right. Then substitute the data. So theta A equals negative. Moment near is the moment at A, 0. The length is the distance from A to B, 6 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at B. So dalawa yung moments at B, MB left and MB right. And since ang ina-analyze natin ay A to B, so we use MB left, negative 30. The length is 6, then over 6EI, plus walang load from A to B, so that 6AB over L is 0 over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to B, and the horizontal line passes through B, so that the value of H is 0. So theta A is equal to positive 30 over EI. Positive means theta A is counterclockwise. For theta C, we cut at C and then choose left. So the direction is C to B, left. Applicable is formula for theta left. Okay, formula for theta left. Then substitute the data. So theta is theta C. Moment near is the moment at C, 0. The length is the distance from C to B, 12 over 3EI. Plus moment far is moment at B. So dalawa yung moments at B. Since ang ina-analyze natin ay segment BC, so we use moment B right, 15. The length is 12 over 6EI, plus walang load from C to B, so the value of 6AA over L is 0, then over 6EI minus H over L. So gawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to B, and the horizontal line passes through B, so that H is 0. So the value of theta C is positive 30 over EI counterclockwise. Next, to solve for the reaction, so mag-assume na muna tayo ng directions. So assume natin na silang tatlo ay positive, lahat upward. And to solve for the reaction at A, so i-cut natin sa B, then choose left. So at point B, choosing left. So since AY is upward, the moment is positive. AY, the lever arm 6, then equal siya sa moment B left, which is negative 30. So that AY is equal to negative 5. So negative means mali yung assumption natin. So hindi pala siya pataas. Next, para naman sa CY, so we cut at B, and then we choose right naman. So yung moment at B, so dahil right ang pinili is moment B right, then equal to yung moment sa right side ng B. So since CY is upward, positive, then times the lever arm 12. So that CY is equal to positive 1.25, and positive means the assumption upward is correct. Next, to solve for the reaction at B, we cut at A, then we choose right. So at point A, moment left equals moment right. So moment left of A is 0, then equal to moment right of A. Due to BY, which is upward, the moment is positive. BY, the lever arm is 6. CY is upward, so positive. Given yung CY 1.25, and the lever arm is 6 plus 12, 18. And then due to the clockwise moment at B, so kapag clockwise yung moment, so ito ay pababa sa right side at ito naman ay pataas sa left side. So since tayo ay nagmo-moment sa A, ang sabi natin, kapag given ay concentrated moment, ang gagamitin natin yung far side. So kung tayo ay nagmo-moment sa A, ang far side ng 45 kN is ito, which is pababa. So therefore, dahil pababa, minus 45. So that By is equal to positive 3.75 upward. So positive means the assumption upward is correct. So given sa figure yung mga correct directions ng reactions, so to check kung tama, we apply vertical equilibrium. So AY is downward, so negative 5. BY is upward, positive 3.75. CY is upward, positive 1.25. Then equal to 0. So ang nangyari, 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, the answer is correct. Interpret natin yung results. So ito na yung elastic curve. So at point A, tayo ay gagawa ng tangent line. So ito siya. And theta A is counterclockwise, which is tugma naman dun sa sagot natin na theta A counterclockwise. At point B, tangent line ay ito. And the rotation is obviously clockwise. At ang sagot nga natin is theta B is clockwise. At point C, ito yung tangent line. And the rotation is counterclockwise, which is tugma dun sa sagot natin theta C.